So hello and welcome you all to sailtomdsacademy Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, Professor in College of Dental Science and Director of the Academy. So my dear student, the NEET MDS 2025 results have been announced on the website netbot.edu.in. So on the website, if you see about the cutoff score for the general category is 261, for PWBD it is 244, and for SC/ST OBC it is 227. Remember dear student, it is not the say this cutoff only going to remain. The cutoff is going to get revised, because every time it happens that the number of seats used to be left over, but when it is going to get revised, not the first and second round, it will going to get revised when the second round get complete and mop-up round is going to get start. Okay, so my sincere request to all my dear students, that those who are planning for better seat, for better college, you should not wait for the revised cutoff, because in the revised cutoff you are going to get the leftover remaining seats of not so good college or not so good branch. Okay dear students, so the cutoff is there on the screen. Also I am going to mention, see, the last year also the cutoff was almost similar. This was the last year cutoff which was revised to this much less mark. So definitely we can expect that the revised cutoff also will be near to this value only. So you can see here 261, so here 263 is there, which was revised around 196. So here also we can expect that the new cutoff, if at all it is coming, it will be in this range only. So dear student, please gear up yourself. Now congratulations to all my dear students, those who have got good rank. So what you people have to do, you have to plan that which branch you want, which college you want. You have to make the list, and on the basis of that you have to get ready for the choice filling. Any help you want for how the NEET MDS counseling go, what are the things are there, the information will be shared in the description box. The videos have been made for the same. Any help you want, you can message me on the given number, or you can mail me also. So that was all from my side dear students. I am going to keep you updating with all the important information going to come. Okay dear students, so please try to make the proper list and everything regarding your selection. Okay, so this is the national rank they have given. Now the state wise rank also will come. Okay dear students, that was all from my side. Till then, take care.